everyone, I'm back. Yes, I'm back. Another video from Real Deal Around Town. Today, I'm going to be doing a how-to video, which it's a little different thing for me, but I'm going to try it anyway. I know that I've gotten a lot of new subscribers lately, and I know at least locally some of the people who have joined YouTube to watch my videos are pretty new to YouTube. And even maybe some of you old timers will either be bored with this video because you already know it, or um, I'm hoping that some of my new subscribers, people that are trying to get used to how YouTube works, might benefit from a little bit of a how to. I know I learned this one just a couple months ago, and I just started really practicing it. So I just want to share it with people who might really enjoy this. A lot of YouTubers have some pretty lengthy videos. My average is around 40 minutes. That's my average long video. Although I do have some, when I go to the meetings and I record the whole meeting, they're more than an hour, sometimes more than two. If I can stay awake that long, that's pretty good. But I'm going one tonight, and I've just got a feeling it's a long one. But anyway, um, those long videos take a lot of time. See, I got this clock in front of me because time is important to all of us, and sometimes things just take too long to watch. And I notice looking at the analytics. That's the word I was looking for. The analytics on some of my videos, people tend to drop off. You watch the beginning of it and you say, "Yeah, I can't watch this whole thing. I cannot sit here for 40 minutes listening to this woman talk about trash." So but some people might want to listen to the whole video, but you just don't, if I would speed things up, it would be much better. Or can you get to the point, Cindy? But sometimes there's stuff you want to look at and you're trying to keep up and you're fast forwarding when you're watching it. And that's a pain in the neck. But wouldn't it be nice if the video went faster? And that's what I want to talk about today. The video can go a lot faster. You can't do it on a live video. I wish I could do this video faster, but I can't do it faster. You can watch it faster than I did it. So, time is important to all of us, including me. So, I'm going to do a little bit of lesson. Get rid of this clock here. I don't need any props, do I? So, anyway, that's a how-to lesson that I'm going to be talking to you about is how to speed things up. That's the title here somewhere, I think. Where's my right? I'm trying to do this in a mirror, I think. How to speed things up. But really how to really speed up the video. So, those of you that are old timers that you know all about speeding up videos and how to set the speed, you can hang up now. But really watch. See if I really blow this. See if I can pull off a how-to video. Okay, so what we want to do is make the video go faster while you're watching it. And you can make it go really fast so it sounds like I had a dose of helium. And you can do this with anybody's video, and it really helps. I learned this from some of the live podcasters that I watch that just go on and on and on. And if I don't want to watch it live, I can watch it later. But then you set the speed a little faster. And one of the YouTubers that I watch, just happened to casually mention that this is the new thing that people are doing, watching all their YouTube videos and fast forward, especially in today's thing with TV. That's what we do with a lot of TV shows we watch. That it's like we're just binge streaming things, but yet we're trying to do other things at the same time. So this is a quick lesson. Hopefully, if I can stop talking, and I'm going to give you the first. I'm going to pull some things up here if I can do it. If I can make this work. So here's me. You can hi. I took some photos from other videos that I've done to show you where everything is. So I think by now, if you have any kind of smartphone, if you're on a laptop, if you're on the internet at all, you know what the settings wheel looks like, and that's where we're going to go. If you notice in the um, bottom of your screen on YouTube, you could see that there's a setting wheel. There's closed caption, then there's a setting wheel in you can do other things with all those other symbols. Do, by all means, play with these things. So that's number one. I'm going to get this one out of here. And then, so you're going to go to the settings wheel. Then I'm going to bring up another one. Let's see if I can pull this off. Okay. I'll find it. Number one. Number two. Yay. Are we there? You have this one? I hope. Let me see. Do I have? We have this one. And then we're going to notice that I've got the yellow arrow going to playback speed. So after you hit the settings wheel, there on the bottom, then this is your menu you're going to get. Then you want to hit playback speed. We'll get this one out of there. And we're going to bring up another one. I know this is slow. I'm not a real experienced at all this stuff. I'm learning. I'm sure there's a faster way for me to do this than what I'm doing right here. Playback speeds. Share. Okay, I'm going to go back over here. I want to watch while we're doing this. So you notice the playback speed. So we started off at the settings wheel. Then we had the playback. We chose playback speed on the menu. And then we go to all these different speeds. Now, normal, if you're just watching like you always do, under normal speech pattern, just going the normal speed. But if you want to slow things down, you go to the 0.75 or the 0.5, no, please don't do that. That must be terrible. But if you want to go a little faster and you want me to talk faster, then you go to 1.25 or 1.5. 1.75 and 2 gets a little bit fast. That's where the helium settings really come in. You can do that if you're in a hurry, you're trying to get through to part of the video you've already watched, then those settings work fine. 1.5, I think, is tolerable. I think just about even the fast talkers, watching them at 1.5, you really hardly notice that you've sped up the video unless you really know what it's supposed to sound like. 1.25, you can hardly tell. 1.5 is probably the average that people speed up their videos. But I wanted to show you this stuff just so I like to share it. When I learn new things, I like to share them. And I've been playing with this quite a bit. And so I had to share it. And I know that sometimes people think my videos are long, even though in YouTube world, they're not. I don't think they're too long. Some people go on for hours. This is actually going to be a short one. But I just wanted to let you know, those of you that are relatively new here, to try this, experiment with it, especially, if you want to watch a video, but you could tell at the beginning how long it is. It tells you. YouTube is not keeping that secret. But you can, and this is mine or anybody's that isn't live. It doesn't work with live. You can't speed up live. It doesn't work. But you can speed me up because I haven't been doing many lives. When I first started out, I wanted to, but that's a pain in the neck. I'm not really up to that that level of operations, but at some point I will. I'll probably do some of those lengthy, boring, I don't know what I'm talking about videos, but these, this is a short one. So, but it's not live. So when you are watching it, if you want to speed it up, you can do that right now while you're watching me. But I just wanted to share that with you and give a shot at the how-to video. Keep it brief. And I want to thank everybody for watching. And if you want more of this type or of any of my videos, please don't forget to subscribe and please like this video. Let me know whether you want me to do more of these and leave a comment. And let me know if you want me to do more brief YouTube how-to videos or how-to videos on anything. I don't know. Whatever. I guess I did do a little how-to video when I went through the CPA form. But I'll be doing another CPA update, remind everybody what you voted for. I've heard that there's some controversy out there about what we voted for. But I've got a whole bunch of videos planned. I just got to make sure I have the time to do them all. This was a quickie, so I thought I'd get it in. Okay, well, I'm going to go. And I'll be doing another video in the next, hopefully, 24 hours. We're supposed to be getting a snowstorm. So I'll probably do a couple while it's snowing because I'm not doing anything else. Okay, I will see you later. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Take care now.